Hi guys, my name is King, General Sales Manager here at Applewood Kia in Langley. Today I want to introduce you guys to the brand new 2021 KIA Seltos. This one here is the EX Premium model. So this one here is equipped with a 2-liter engine at 146 horsepower. You can also upgrade to a 1.6-liter turbo at 175 horsepower. Comes with a 10.25-inch screen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Also has air-conditioned seats and a wireless charger and tons of cool features. With up to 1778 liters of cargo space, this baby is ready to take on any adventures you have. To set up a test drive, call us at 604-533-7881 or find us online at applewoodkialangley.ca.